CenterPoint Energy is a combined gas and electric utility and is the third largest in the United States. We serve over 5 million consumers in the central part of the U.S. across 6 states. The electric utility industry is really vital to our U.S. economy, but it hasn't changed over the last 100 years. And the coming of the age of the internet and the digital era, it is now time to be able to combine that and make the utility industry even a more reliable energy source. Our vision at CenterPoint Energy is to be recognized as America's leading energy delivery company. And we believe that automation is a key to being able to achieve that vision. Automation will allow us to have more efficient and streamlined operations, and will also allow our consumers more visibility into their consumption. And this will lead toward creating an enabling platform for consumers to have energy efficiency and conservation. When we talk about innovation, we talk about introducing new technology, about doing our job better, doing that which creates value. What sets CenterPoint apart is we're taking a holistic approach to automation. When we look at automation, we don't look at automation from a silo perspective of just one area of the company. We feel that the power of automation, the power to really release innovation, is to take a holistic approach. The solution that we have implemented at CenterPoint Energy for the Intelligent Utility Network is one that is comprised of a high-speed communication system to our substations. That includes microwave, fiber, and other technologies that we're looking to IBM to bring to the table. We want to work with a partner that had worldwide experience across multiple industries, across multiple disciplines, that was abreast of all the automation.
IBM is working with CenterPoint to use new information coming from the Intelligent Utility Network and applying advanced analytics and models, leveraging our research capabilities out of Watson, to actually more rapidly and specifically identify where the fault is so CenterPoint can get their crews there to repair it.
The Intelligent Utility Network, or the IUN, has 2 major components. One component is that which has to do with advanced metering, and that provides all the benefits to the consumer, such as energy efficiency and energy conservation. The other major element is the intelligent grid, or the smart grid, which will provide a greater efficiencies in the utility.
From our software product side, we're using our WebSphere brand for integration and process orchestration. We're using our data products to store the data so it can be used in a future time for analytics, decision support, and portals. On our services side, Global Business Services is providing business insight and process work on how to use that information to improve the processes themselves within the utility at CenterPoint. And our Global Technology Services group is actually providing the design of the communication networks and its installation. And then we're adding services from our labs and Global Engineering Services so that we can adapt in sensors and actuators to even collect more sources of information.
In the future, with the IUN, we will be able to remotely find the problem, diagnose the problem, and switch around it. To the consumer, what this means is greater reliability. It means a self-healing grid. From the consumer's perspective, the advanced meter of the IUN will allow the consumer to be able to monitor and control appliances in his house. It will allow him to have more visibility of the energy that he's consuming. Having visibility really is the enabling mechanism for energy efficiency and energy conservation. What's truly exciting is we're taking a utility who operate in an electromechanical world and we're combining it with a digital world. And that power, that information will truly transform not just the utility and the utilities across the world, but it will transform the lives of all of our consumers.